Hi everyone, today I am heading to Phuket. To be more precise, Patong, the main tourist resort on this fantastic little island. I'll be checking out the food, the nightlife, the markets and anything else that happens to come along. So without further ado, let's go and check this place out. I'm checking into the Blue Skyline apartment in Phuket, Patong, Phuket. My room at the Blue Skyline Hotel. First impressions, very basic. Sink, toilet, nice size shower. Telly, again I won't be using that I don't think. Got a fridge. Oh, look at that. Lovely massive bed. That's always good. Wardrobes and everything. Nice desk for doing my work. Work desk, lovely. Air conditioning, of course, very important. And a little patio. If I want to go for a cigarette. No brilliant view or anything. Houses and houses. Carnation Street, hit your heart out. But generally speaking, I mean, look at that. Very basic room. But what else do I need? That's it, that's all I need. You know, I don't need a palace. I'm not fussy. And guess what? 500 baht a night. £12.50 a night. It's just a no-brainer, isn't it? Why do you have to go and spend a fortune on somewhere you're pretty much only going to sleep and use, you know, for your laptop and everything? But yeah, 500 baht a night, £12.50. I'll have that every day. Thank you very much. Happy days. Right, swimming pool's on the 6th floor. Got toilets, that's always handy. Not looking too shabby, could do with a little bit of a paintwork. First appearances and all the rest, know what I mean? Swimming pool itself. Lovely, look at that. As I say, it does look a bit shabby on the outside. Could do with a little bit of a paintwork. There you have it, swimming pool at the Blue Skyline Hotel. As I say, yeah, it does look a bit shabby. When people don't take care of things, it makes you a little bit dubious, doesn't it? But, hey ho, 500 baht a night, which is basically £12.50 a night. I don't think you can really moan at that, can you? Bit of paintwork ain't going to affect it. Happy days. One of the many things Patong is renowned for is its vibrant nightlife. I'm not going to go too much into that on this video because my next video will be a full review on Patong's nightlife. If you'd like to see that video, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Moving on gracefully, today's video is generally a walkabout, taking you on a walking tour through Patong and seeing what else this lovely little town has to offer. As you know, I am 100% honest in my reviews, and when it comes to beaches, I'm sorry to say this, but Patong Beach is not one of my favourites. It does get busy, and especially at night it's really popular with people meeting up, chatting, having drinks and all that sort of thing. But if it is beaches you're looking for, literally hire yourself a little scooter, and about 20 minutes up the road is a lovely little town called Karen, where there are absolute fantastic beaches. I will be doing a video on Karen at a later stage, but on that note, if you do decide to hire yourself a little scooter or motorbike, I do highly recommend that you pick up one of these international driving licenses. You can pick them up from your local Premier store, and all you need is a passport photograph and your driving license, and it will cost you a fiver. and I guarantee you will thank me afterwards. I got stopped 4 times, and if you don't have one of these on you, it's going to cost you 1,000 baht fine. So I basically saved myself 100 quid for the sake of a fiver. Well worth getting one of these if you're thinking of visiting Patong and hiring a motorbike or a car. Patong is only a small town, but it is jam-packed with absolutely everything. You've got some fantastic little restaurants, fantastic seafood markets with all these different types of seafood.
Barbecue, brother. Seafood, big lobster, sir.
You've got your massage parlours. Of course, you've got your nightlife, as I mentioned. I will be doing a video on that at a later stage. And basically, yeah, it's all compact, all within walking distance pretty much. And it is the most popular tourist destination in Phuket.
Khôngใช่วันนี้พี่กินไม่ไหวเดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้มาไม่เป็นไรพรุ่งนี้มาก็ได้วันนี้ไม่ไหววันนี้คนไทยใช่ไหมครับใช่ตัวละคนเหลืออะไรโอเคมันเป็นไร
Stopped off at this little Thai noodle place, Thai restaurant here in Patong. This is a lovely little area. It's called the Marlin Plaza, and they've just got so many different stalls here. Anything you want, seafood, curries, Thai toes, and look, my noodle has arrived. So yeah, sorry, hello. Can I have fried egg, please? One fried egg. So I've ordered this seafood noodle, and I'm also going to have a fried egg with it. It's bizarre as it may seem, but it comes with a fried egg apparently, so I'll have a fried egg. I've got some nice little spring rolls here, chicken spring rolls. These little babies, they cost me 50 baht for free, so that's like £2.50. No, 125 for free, deep fried. Oh. They're good, real good. So basically, my noodles have arrived, seafood noodles. Very similar to a pad thai. I don't know why they don't just call it a pad thai. I had a fried egg chucked on top as well, because that's just what they do here. I mean, they get away with murder. You wouldn't do that in the UK. You wouldn't get that in the UK, fried egg with noodles, or maybe you do, I don't know, but I've never had it. Anyway. Oh. It's not over flavoured. Those egg noodles, these got a flavour of their own. And plus, they got my favourite contestants here, prawns. And they don't do any half measures, you get a fair old share. But, funny thing about prawns, I find this, could be just me, is they always just taste of prawn. I know that's strange because they are prawns, but the point I'm making is, if you cook a beef casserole or a beef stew, the beef absorbs the juices, the sauces. Lamb curry, the lamb absorbs the curry sauce and everything like that, things like that. Chicken casserole again, chicken curry, it absorbs the flavour. However, prawns, no matter what sauce you cook them in, they always just still taste of prawns. It's like they're not very absorbent. Maybe it's just me, but
Nice bit of calamari here. I'm always dubious about calamari because it doesn't have a very long shelf life, calamari, normally about a day. And when it goes off, you know about it. This is absolutely divine. I have to say, it's the first noodle dish I've had since I've been here because I tend to stick more to the soups, mainly because of the heat. It's just lighter. But I haven't eaten all day today, so I thought I'd give the noodles a try. And pleasantly surprised I am. Give me a bit of sauce here, I don't know what that is. Ketchup. Looks like it. I know it's sad putting ketchup on a Thai pad Thai, but and you've got to be careful when you pour these sauces out because what you could think is ketchup turns out to be a really hot, spicy chili sauce. We'll find out in a minute. Good old ketchup. I'm one of those people who has ketchup with everything. I know that's sad, especially as I'm a chef, but I loved it. Not egg sandwiches. I can't have ketchup with an egg sandwich though. Just gives off a weird taste. Anything else, bring it on. But I was 100% right on what I was saying earlier. The reason I don't really have noodles is because they are so filling. And I know I'm a big chap, but I actually don't eat that much. Not as in, like, big, massive amounts. Oh. The other one of many things that I do like here is, you know, okay, this plateful was quite a dollop, but it is mainly noodles. But generally speaking, if you have a Thai curry or a soup or something like that, they only give you what looks like a little portion. And yet, when you finish eating it, you feel full up. Now I think there's a lesson to be learnt there. You don't need to stack your plate right up. You can get just as full up with half that amount as you do with that big amount. In fact, you feel better afterwards because you don't feel bloated. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to finish this, but I'm going to give it a bloody good go. Because I don't like to waste food. And that's the thing, see? If someone puts a big plate of food in front of you, you feel obliged to clear the plate and eat it all. I think it stems back to probably when you're a kid, when your parents say, well, if you don't eat all your vegetables, you won't get no pudding. Which is wrong. Because you should only eat till you're full up, basically. And if they've given you so much that you can't eat it, that's just turning you into a pig. So anyway, the point I'm making is, I love the fact they only give you small portions, because it only looks like small portions, but never once have I walked away and said, do you know what, I'm still hungry and I want some more. It's always hit the spot. And not only that, left me feeling just right, not over bloated. I mean, heavy stuff like this just makes me tired when I eat too much. Anyway, moving on. So I'll stop at this little place. Marlin Plaza it's called. They've got loads of little stalls here. And it's literally a stone's throw away from my hotel. Blue Skyline Hotel in Patong.